Good morning, sir. Good morning, classmate. This is our competency-based curriculum development for core competency for module of instruction. Core competency. The unit competency will find in the TR. Perform pre and post hair care activities. And for module title, you will add the ing like performing pre and post hair care activities. For unit descriptor will be found in the TR also module descriptor. And for the learning summary of learning outcomes, you will find in the element like prepare client for LO1. For LO2, we will find the apply shampoo and conditioner on the client. And for LO3, blow dry hair. Assessment criteria. For the assessment criteria will be find in the TR in the elements preferred client. For assessment criteria will be found in the performance criteria in the TR. For the content, you will find in the evidence guide in the underpinning knowledge and underpinning skills. You will put in the content in the CBC. For condition, you will find the condition in the range of variables like number 1 client veiled, number 2 type of service, 3 tools, 4 supplies and materials, and 5 in the is established or acceptable procedure in hair shampoo and or conditioning. In the 6 is established of acceptable procedure in the blow drying hair. For number 7 is hair finishing products. For methods and for methodologies and assessment method, you will find in the curriculum design in the TR. In the core competency, you will find the methodology and like lecture, discussion, and demonstration. In assessment method, you find the in the assessment approach like written test, practical test, or performance test, and interview. And the other core competency is performing hair bleaching, performing hair and scalp treatment, performing basic hair perming, perform basic hair coloring, perform basic hair cutting, perform hair straightening, and apply basic makeup. It's the same procedure in the first CBC. That's all. Thank you po, sir and classmate. Oh.